In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView AI. We'll walk through opening a chart, finding AI-powered indicators, adding one to your chart, and dialing in the key inputs so the signals make sense for your style. The goal is to help you use these tools with clarity and confidence. Start by opening a chart for the market you care about. Choose the symbol and time frame that match how you trade, whether that's a daily view for swing ideas or a lower time frame for intraday reads. Make sure the main chart window is active so any indicators you add will attach to it. Next, click Indicators at the top of the platform. This opens the Indicators and Strategies panel where you can browse both built-in and community tools. In the search bar, type AI. You'll see options like AI Supertrend, AI correlation, and other AI-driven indicators. Each one has a short description. Take a second to read it so you know whether it overlays on price or appears in a separate pane and what kind of signals it's designed to produce. If you're exploring community scripts, note the author's reputation and any usage notes in the description. The idea here is to pick an AI tool that aligns with your objective, whether that's trend detection, correlations, or signal classification. Once you've found an indicator you want to try, add it to your chart with a single click. You should immediately see its plot or signals appear. If it's an overlay, it will sit on top of price. If it uses a separate pane, you'll see it below the chart with its own scale. If anything looks cluttered, remember you can hide or show the indicator later from the chart's object tree, but for now, just confirm it's visible. Now configure the inputs. Open the indicator's settings and look for controls like lookback, sensitivity, and confidence threshold. Lookback determines how many bars the model considers. A shorter lookback reacts faster to recent moves but can be choppier. A longer lookback smooths noise and may reduce whipsaws at the cost of slower signals. Sensitivity adjusts how readily the indicator triggers. Higher sensitivity can catch more moves but increase false positives, while lower sensitivity filters noise but may miss early shifts. Confidence threshold filters low probability outputs. Raising it shows only stronger, higher confidence signals. Lowering it reveals more opportunities, including weaker ones. Start with the defaults, then make small, purposeful changes, and watch how the signals evolve across different periods of price action. That's the full flow. Open a chart, click Indicators, search for AI, add your chosen tool, and fine-tune the inputs. Use these signals as decision support, not guarantees, and combine them with your usual risk management and validation process.